Welcome, this is your Option Monster Volatility Sonar Report. From the floor of the CBOE, I'm Jamie Tyrrell with Group 1 Trading. Well, it is really a frenzied atmosphere in the VIX pit right now. All of the bad news about the financials is hanging over everyone's head right as we're approaching January expiration. Today is Thursday. After today, all we have is Friday and Tuesday, and then the VIX expires Wednesday morning on the opening print of the February S&P 500 options. So right now, we are just seeing volatility explode in the VIX. 2 days ago, with 5 days to go until expiration, we had the Jan 45 straddle, which is buying the call, buying the put. It's a good gauge of how volatile that month is right then, trading about 480. Yesterday it became our at the money was the 50 straddle as we cruised up from 45 to 50. Now we're at 55. Yesterday it was 660 on that straddle. Right now, with only 2 days till expiration, we're at $8 on the January 55 straddle. That's people betting on a $16 wide range for the VIX in the next 2 trading days. We've seen reverse decay. We've seen the straddle go from 480 up to $8. Today we've been raising implied volatilities in the front month January 50 points on almost every line. The 80 calls, which were just a couple days at a nickel, just traded for 50 cents. Now that's 2 trading days till expiration. Some people are covering their upside 25 points out of the money. We're at 55, they're buying the 80s. So people are protecting against just giant pushes up in volatility, the type of stuff we were seeing back in October. That's how I most closely describe the trading we're seeing, is what we were seeing back then. Just a lot more panic in the VIX pit, a lot of buyers. There really hasn't been anybody to put a lid on this volatility, and that's kind of how things are going to go until somebody smacks it down. The pit just can't sell anymore. The market makers in here, you really need a big upstairs player, a big bank, somebody to say that these levels are getting too high, and that's just not happening right now. And so the pit is fading very quickly. Those 80s, they traded 25 cents, then they traded 30, 35, 40, up to 50 in the matter of a few minutes. There's just not a lot of people willing to sell anything in the front month. So that's where we are right now. The 55 straddle is $8. A lot of buyers right now. We'll see what develops. We'll see if a big seller emerges or if things continue to get bid up and up. This is Jamie Tyrrell, Group 1 Option Monster. Check back for more.
Any of you boys seen an aircraft carrier around here?